Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to unlock chat in Roblox. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Roblox app and tap on the More option at the bottom of the screen. From there, go into Settings and open the Account Info section. To unlock chat features, Roblox may require you to verify your age. Simply choose the selfie or camera verification option and follow the quick on-screen instructions. Once the verification is completed, return to the Settings menu. Now, open the Privacy and Content Restrictions section and tap on Communication. Here, you will see options like Experience Chat or Game Chat. Access it and turn these options on to enable chatting inside Roblox games. After that, join any Roblox game that supports chat. You should now be able to send and receive messages while playing. If chat still does not appear, make sure the game itself allows chat features because some experiences disable chatting for certain players or age groups. So that's basically how you can unlock chat in Roblox. That's it for this video. Thanks!